Let it bang, bang.
Guys, in this video I will show you how to download Python quickly. Go to the Google and type Python install, then go to the first link, the python.org, and here you can download the latest version. After downloading the latest version, then you can just wait while it is downloading. I will now continue after the downloading is finished. So now as the setup is downloaded, now I will open the setup. Now open the setup and just go for the basic recommended installation and press yes for the giving the administrative privilege. Then it will start installing, and after a few seconds it will install. Okay, so now the Python setup is installed. You can now close it. Now in order to check that Python is installed in your system, you can simply go to the CMD and type Python, and it will now open the command prompt like this. Now here you can check with the basic commands like 2 plus 3. Now the Python is successfully installed in your system.
Let it bang, bang.